Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Baking the ham uncovered. Cover the ham with foil or use a baking bag to heat up the ham until it's time to glaze. You can also add a little bit of liquid, like wine or water, to the bottom of the baking pan for some additional moisture.
Take our lead.
For example, it takes between 35 and 40 minutes to cook a pound of boneless shoulder roll of a cook before eating smoked ham. This means it takes an average of 35 plus 42 equals 37.5 minutes to cook a pound of this particular cut. Let's say we want to cook a pound and a half. We will need 1.5 * 37.5 equals 56.25 minutes.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
When should I add the ham glaze to the ham? Most ham recipes should be glazed towards the end of cooking, so the sugar doesn't have a chance to caramelize too much. When there's about 20 to 30 minutes of total time left to your baked ham, pour the brown sugar glaze over the top and put back in the oven to bake uncovered.
Take our lead.
A fully cooked ham needs to be cooked to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, basically just to heat it, whereas a cook before eating ham needs to be cooked to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. When cooking ham, you'll want to preheat your oven and place the ham cut side down.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Take it out of the oven, put a metal skewer into the center of the ham for 15 to 20 seconds, yank it out and put the tip of the skewer to your tongue. It should feel as hot as a fresh cup of coffee, a properly brewed coffee, not the barely condensed steam McDonald's serves.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
325 degrees Fahrenheit. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. To heat the ham, place it on a rack in a shallow roasting pan, and bake uncovered. For a whole ham, allow 15 to 18 minutes to the pound. For a half, 18 to 24 minutes per pound.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
What if I don't have a roasting pan? A large casserole dish with deep sides. A broiler pan with a grated top that fit inside a bottom pan meant to catch juices. A sheet pan. Just remember to handle carefully as hot juices can splash or spill more easily in this low-sided pan.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.